Foldable phones are the new big deal in the tech world. Samsung recently launched their Galaxy Fold, which they tagged the biggest breakthrough since the mobile phone. Some are excited about it, and others aren't. But what are foldable phones? Are they a fad or the future? In today's video, we're going to be talking about just that. Before we begin though, make sure to subscribe to Future Tech Eden and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now, let's get into it. About a decade ago, Samsung stormed the mobile phone industry with a whole new kind of mobile phone, setting a high standard for all other existing brands. Samsung spent the following years signing several partnership contracts with companies such as Google, and since then, they've worked together to make their phone's general user experience more flexible by giving Android developers all the framework and resources they need. From creating new materials to overcoming mechanical problems, Samsung gets it right with every new model. From the start, Samsung engineers knew that the best way to start something new was to come up with versatile features and technologies so the devices would meet and satisfy everyone's needs. After years of producing and rebranding models, they had to rethink the smartphone from the inside out to make it foldable. When Samsung first came up with the idea of foldable displays in 2011, fans knew it was only the beginning, as it would be nearly a decade before these foldable devices became available to people worldwide. But little did they know that in order to reach their set goal and achievement, Samsung had invested a lot of money in research. It's also openly working with app developers and other businesses like Google for sustenance and support. In 2021, rules for making apps for foldable screens were created based on Google's work to make its most popular apps function better on these types of devices. Samsung plans to work with more partners and developers in the future. This will help the brand keep up with new technologies and competition while still being able to innovate and invent new things like foldable phones. The first Samsung foldable phone, the Galaxy Fold, was released in 2019 and it was fantastic. Shortly after that was the Galaxy Z Flip. Its sleek clamshell design was a throwback to flip phones from the past, and people were instantly blown away by its looks. After years of progress and 3 generations of innovation, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are now more foldable, durable, and easy to use than ever. As a result, these phones have set a new standard in the industry, and they've rekindled the public's interest in smartphones. Furthermore, unprecedented efforts to find new ways to make things better have led to a surge in demand for foldable devices, which has brought more people into the Galaxy family than ever before. According to Samsung, there's been a 200% increase in people who switched phones for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and a 140% increase for the Galaxy S21, and that's one fantastic spike. A simple reason for this massive rise in sales is that both phones have so many unique features that appeal to varied customer groups in ways that no other smartphone has before. Samsung surveyed buyers and found that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 was Samsung's most popular smartphone because of its portability, stylishness, and unique folding design. Another striking feature of the phone is its ability to use the cover screen without opening the device, which is important for people who want to keep their privacy, along with those who want to manage or reduce their screen time. Buyers of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, on the other hand, said that they were drawn to its multitasking abilities, large screen, and productivity features such as the S Pen. It seems that these days, people are more likely to switch to a foldable phone, even if they have to change brands or operating systems, with its eyes set on what's to come in the next decade and beyond. One of Samsung's major competitors, Apple, will also keep trying to revolutionize the mobile experience. Has Apple considered making foldable smartphones as well? The answer is yes, but a foldable iPhone may not be launched until several years from now, if at all, as the company's now focusing on launching its new iPhones and iPads later this year. Apple has been trying out many different foldable screen sizes, and so far, the brand has come up with screens ranging from 6 to 8 inches when folded up. Like the ones from Samsung, the foldable Apple screens that are being tested have a mostly hidden hinge with the electronics behind the screen. As expected, this would be a significant change for Apple. The classic iPhone is probably the most popular consumer product ever, and it helped make Apple the most valuable company in the world. So, the change to foldable technology will definitely make it more exciting and interesting as things move forward. Other companies, like Microsoft, are taking a different approach with devices that have visible hinges. Recently, LG, a company more widely known for its televisions, also showed off its technology for a foldable screen mobile phone. Additionally, another popular TV brand, TCL, showed off its foldable and rollable device, which actually looks like a productivity workhorse of the future. Still though, some of the best foldable phones continue to be produced by Samsung. When the brand unveiled its first prototype of a flexible screen in 2011, only a few imagined that they'd seen a peak of the mobile industry's future. And today, consumers are excited excited about Samsung's next foldable phone because of the success of the Galaxy Z series. In fact, it took the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 just a month in 2021 to sell more than all Samsung foldable devices did in 2020. Initially, Samsung had set the release date for the original Galaxy Fold to be on April 26, 2019. Everyone looked forward to it, but Samsung had to delay the launch because of screen issues. Many testers and reviewers reported problems, raising concerns about the product's quality. However, this delay just proved that the brand was only interested in producing the best phones that would offer the greatest value for money. Aside from that, the folding smartphone is stunning, and despite being one of the costliest smartphones available in the market at the time, the excitement of seeing the Galaxy Fold for the first time reveals the product's immense potential. Samsung's foldable phones work excellently as small tablets, and the 2020 Galaxy Z Fold 2 set the bar high. The Z Fold 3 came the next year, with added features like S Pen support and water resistance. This was the brand's way of giving a listening ear to their customers, as those were the major things that many have asked for, and as always, consumers knew Samsung would come through for them. In addition to those new features, the cover display resolution and refresh rate have been changed. Thus, you get a high-resolution screen with 120Hz support made of Corning Gorilla Glass, as well as better panels and a screen protector on the main screen, which makes it 80% more durable, which is a great improvement. A new under-display camera is also added, which is a big step forward in foldable mobile technology. Indeed, foldable phones are the future, and they'll surely become more popular soon because more people will see how useful they can truly be. On this note, we can say there'll be a lot more foldable phones in the near future, and as time goes on, they'll become the real deal for mobile phone enthusiasts. Though many new things are coming out in the next few years, we believe Samsung will maintain its lead in the foldable category with even more cutting-edge technology. What do you think? Have you tried a foldable phone before? Tell us what you think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button to let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Future Tech Eden if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.